So I watched a lot of videos, and every single one of them tells me on my car, 2019 Ford Fusion, that I need to remove the bumper.
No! God, please, no!
To get to the headlights and change it out. Well, I had two headlights that were out, and I refused to do that, and I'm going to show you how. The only thing I can think of is that they cannot get the headlight actually in between the housing of the bulb and this brace right here. And I'm telling you, with the lights that I used, which I'll put in a link in the description, they will fit, they're tight, but they will go in there. You got to be careful not to jam them in. Here they are. I used the Lasfit LED bulbs, 5000K. Perfect, they look amazing at night. It took me about 25 minutes to get it in there, but they will go in and you will not have to take off the bumper. If you have large hands, I would say maybe find somebody that has a little bit smaller hands, but I would not take off that front bumper to do these headlights. The only thing I'm thinking is that not all headlights will fit in there. I would recommend using the ones that I'm going to throw down in the description for you. And other than that, that's all you're going to have to do is get those lights, pop those 4 covers, and change it out.